now let's act as the person who is going to receive the invite for the calendar. So for that case, the shareable link was this one. So just copy the link, and you as the person who is accepting the invite, just visit that calendar link, and it will show you this option of adding the calendar to your personal Google Calendar. So just click on add, and then the calendar will be added to your Google Calendar. So here you will see this option or this event also. So just go to settings, and you are able to see the name and certain details about the event. The notification details which the owner of the event had set in the calendar were limited to his or her account. But for yourself, you will have to add event notifications as per your requirement, because the owner of the calendar cannot decide on your behalf how frequently you want to get notified. So just in case you want to get notified about 10 minutes before the event, you can have one notification around that time. You want to get notified 3 hours before the event, you can have that kind of notification. 6 hours before the event, you can have that kind of notification. You can also add one more notification for email. So like 3 days before the event, you want to receive an email, and also 1 day prior to the event, you also want to get a notification through email this time. So now these notifications are set. Also, you want to get notified whenever a new event is added to your calendar. Likewise, whenever any changes happens, whenever the event is cancelled, or if there are multiple events, then also you want to get notified through email. So just select all of that. Now you'll be receiving a lot of emails whenever any action happens in the calendar, or whenever any event is going to happen in near future. You will get notified as per your preference. Now all the details are done, like selected. And also, just in case you are done with the calendar and you want to unsubscribe to that, you can also click on unsubscribe, and this calendar will be gone from your account. So now go back and just wait for 11:25, and you'll be receiving one notifications on your desktop. And if you have enabled this calendar in your iOS device or Android device, then you'll be receiving notification on that device as well. Make sure that the Google Calendar app also has the permission to notify you, because there are mobile specific or app specific permissions which you also have to enable. Even for the desktops, there are browser level notification settings. So make sure that all the notification settings are correctly selected, so that you will be receiving notifications. Google by itself sends an email notification and also pop-up. So here in this case, we are receiving a pop-up at about 11:26 that okay, the event is starting up. So make sure that you have set the desired settings in the calendar, and you'll be receiving a lot of notifications as per your specifications. Better to subscribe to the calendar using your laptop or computer, because you get to see a lot more options for notifications. Like these notifications options you won't find in your mobile devices, be it your iOS device or Android device. So whenever you are trying to subscribe and enable the notifications, please try using your laptop. It will be much easier to set up the notifications that way, and you will be able to subscribe to these emails as well. Whenever any action happens, you will get the email notification. Now we will be enabling the notifications in the iOS devices. So first of all, go to the Google Calendar and then enable the calendar, and then go to the settings, and here you will see this random calendar, which is the calendar which we want to subscribe to, and then click on it, and then you will see that no notifications are there. So you can just select or click on the custom, or you can just click on the default options which it gives. So like we have chosen 1 hour before the event, and then we are choosing one email notification which is 4 days before the event. So likewise you can add up to 5 notifications, and on your phone you will be notified through the normal notifications or through the email notifications as per your specifications which you have chosen in this option for this particular calendar. So for different calendars you can have different kind of notifications. So once you have set that, you are good to go. And for Android devices, same process. By default you may not see the calendar, which is the random calendar in this case. So go to the settings and then go to your email account, and here you will see that particular calendar, and then you can click on sync to sync it, and then it will start showing up in the Google Calendar, and then set up the notifications as per your requirement. So here we had some notifications cadence which we had chosen earlier, and you can change them, and you can add more notifications, up to 5 notifications, which can be normal notification in which your phone will just give you a nudge, or you can receive the email notifications as well as per your specifications which you have chosen over here. So once you're done with that, you will start receiving notifications on your phone, on your desktop. So this is how you add the external Google Calendar and subscribe to its notifications.
Thanks so much for watching this tutorial. If you liked it, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you didn't, then leave a comment so that we can improve it further. Do watch these suggested tutorials to learn even more, and do let us know what you want to learn on Being Skilled.